Alright guys, we're going to be showing you how to use the command prompt to copy files, move files, and stuff like that instead of just clicking around your desktop. So to open up the command prompt, first you're going to go to the start menu. Then you're going to type in command prompt and it should pop up. Gonna click on it. Alright, so I'm going to be teaching you how to create a folder. Now, to create a folder using the command prompt, you're going to first need to learn how to navigate through the command prompt or navigate through your whole desktop. So to navigate through your desktop, you're going to need to know the cd dot dot. Alright, so I'm going to be teaching you how to use the cd command. The cd command can allow you to change where the command prompt is focused. In other words, I can navigate around. So right now, I'm in the C users and my folder. Now if I want to get to, let's say, the program files, I'll just first have to back up cd. So you're going to use the command cd dot dot, and that backs you up to the previous folder. Cd dot dot again, and I'm on the C drive. Now let's say I want to access the what's located on the C drive. I'm just going to use the command DRI, which is directory, and it'll show me a drop down of all the stuff that's in the C drive. Now my C drive has, usually your C drive has the same thing. Let's say I want to get to the program files. I'll just do cd, the name of the folder, which is program files. I'm there. And if I want to see what's in there, I just use the directory command, which is DRI. Then I can see all the list of folders that I have there. Now if I want to get to the Windows Media Player folder, I'll just do cd Windows Media Player. Press enter. Yeah, I'm in this Windows Media Player folder. Now if I want to launch the Windows Media Player, I'll just type in wm player.exe and it runs. You see that? But that's basically how you navigate through. You're going to use the cd command to navigate through, and you use the directory command to see what's in the folders. Now to back up back to the C drive, you're just going to use cd dot dot cd dot dot back to C. Now I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in any directory. First, you're going to have to position where you want the folder to be created. I'm going to create it on the C drive. Now to create a folder, you're going to use the md command. So in other words, if I want to create a folder called black, I'm going to use the command md. Doesn't have to be capitals, but md and the name of the folder. So let's say I want md black. Let's say I want to create the folder black. It's going to be md space then black. Press enter. To check if you created the folder, you're going to use the directory command on wherever you create the folder. Press enter, and there we go, black. Now if I want to create a subfolder, I use the same command. Directory, I'm going to use the, if I want to create a subfolder, I'm going to have to use the cd command, black. Then I'm going to create a subfolder called white. So I'll create a subfolder called yellow, md yellow. Directory command, and the yellow folder is there. Now let's say I want to move a file. Let's say I want to move files, but I don't want to use, I'm going to pick a specific file to move if I have any. Music, videos, downloads. I don't really have much files I can move, but I'll try to find one. Alright, so I'll try to... Alright, I'll try this first. Let's say I want to move these files. Alright, so now I've taught you how to create a folder, and I've taught you how to navigate through your directory. Now I'm going to teach you how to move files. Okay, so let's say I want to move these two files that both have the same extension, just to verify the extension. It's .rtf. I'm going to move these two specifics. In order to move a specific document, first you have to point to where the files are. So in this case it's in my documents folder, so I'm going to go cd users, cd Antoine, cd documents, then the cm directory. I'm going to move these two files here. I'm going to use the command move star dot rtf. Then after you verify the two extensions you're going to move, you're going to put the place you're going to move it to. In this case, I'm going to move it to C/. I'm just going to move it to the C drive. The C/users/Antoine/pictures, or try music. Press enter, and the two files, and that covers moving. I also want to get to deleting. Got to tell you about deleting. Alright, now let's say I want to delete the two folders I had created earlier, which is black. First I'm going to go to CD. Use the CD command because you can't delete the folder when there's a subfolder in this. So you're going to use CD black directory, and you're going to use RD. RD command deletes a folder, so you're going to use RD, then yellow. Your directory is deleted. Then you're going to back up. Then you're going to use the RD command again, black. Directory, black is gone. And that's how you delete, move. That's how you delete, move, and navigate through the command prompt.